Sunshine. Okay, si Daddy Taps ay nagpe-prepare ng ating dinner at ito ay ang kanyang raita. This is with yogurt, onion, cucumber, coriander, salt. Do you add some
mint leaves?
Mint leaves, and is it with pepper?
No, only salt.
Okay, salt. Yan, idagdagan niya ng salt. Then, ito naman yung ating egg. Lalagay natin yan dun sa niluluto niya. And, dararan. Ito ang ating dinner for tonight. Biryani. Chicken biryani. Okay, that is the chicken biryani. So, itatap natin siya ng egg. And yung raita na prepare niya kanina, yung yogurt with cucumber. Yan, yummy ng dinner natin for tonight, mga sunshine.